I am Jaypal, Principal, Shillong Jalur Boys Higher Secondary School. Today is the first day of the examination, and even last year also due to COVID-19 lot of protocol is being put in place. This year also we have put in place the protocol that is being instructed by the Meghalaya Board of School Education. All students are quite happy to come and sit for the examination. Heads up to Embos, they have organized the examination in a very fantastic manner. In our school also we have put in all protocols related to the COVID-19. We are here to render our best service to the students so the students can sit for their examination comfortably. Okay, all happiness, peace of the students, everything is being ensured in the school. Today is the first day, so there is a little bit rush, but we have told but all the students and the parents, they are adhered to the rules and regulation that is being put in place by the school. Okay, all students are quite happy. I personally go to each and every room and ask the students what to do, what not to do. Okay, because there is 3 hours time, only 80 marks is there, and I tell them that you can answer everything very comfortably. Don't lose your patience in the event of any problem. Invigilator is there to help you. So this only I can say, and by the grace of God, I think that this year will be a fantastic year. Everything will pass off smoothly.
I am now functioning as the officer in charge of the MBOS exam here in the center, Shil 2. There are 3 sectors here. Number 1, Shillong Jill Road Boys Higher Secondary School with 176 candidates. Number 2, All Saint Diocesan Higher Secondary School and Government Girls Higher Secondary School with 202 candidates. For the smooth functioning of the examination, we are strictly adhering to the COVID-19 protocol issued by the State Health Department. And as you have seen, we have 2 employees for checking the temperature of the student at the entry point. All students must wear masks. They must also sanitize their hand properly before entering the examination hall. Students will not be allowed to gather before or after exams. They are not allowed to share their things like pencils, rubber, etc. We have instructed them to bring their own sanitizer too. And it's mentioned also by the MBOS in Annexure 1, point number 13. Use of calculators, mobile phones and other electronic devices, smart watches devices are not permitted in the examination hall. And the same rules also applies to the invigilators.